like, subscribe and get notified.
A nearby CCTV surveillance has captured the entire incident on how the inebriated duo rammed a parked car at high speed, dragging the parked car further.
Santinez 4 crossing aha poitinga Sarovar restaurant ache mukar. There was one couple in the car. Now we don't know whether a couple or not, but ek bail and ek dallo ahlo. They were extremely drunk. म्हणजे चोलोंग जायना पळय तोहले ते तितले ड्रंक आहले. तेणी ती गाडी तेंची आहली एक कार. ती कार तेणी वचोन एक स्टँडिंग वॅगनाराक मारली आणि इतल्या फोर्सान मारली की ती वॅगनार कमीत कमी 20 फूट फुडें गेल्ली. स्टँडिंग पळय वॅगनार आहा, हँड ब्रेक लायलेली वॅगनार 20-25 फूट मुखार तेणी मारली व्हरोन. मागीर ती देंवले थिंगासान देंवली आणि त्यांच्यात मध्ये झगडोंक लागली. ते वॅगनाराचो मालक, तो सरोवराचो मालक आहा पळय, तेजीच वॅगनार आहली. तो भायर येयलो आनी तेंकडे उलोवपाचें तेणें ट्राय केलें, पूण ती कोणीच आयकना जाली. पुलिसेक आमी फोन लायलो, पुलिसाचो फोन लाग नाहलो. मागीर PIक फोन लायलो. PI वॉज kind enough to pick up the phone. This is at 7 o'clock in the morning. He picked up the phone and immediately sprung into action and sent the police. But the police came, and then from 7 to 9 o'clock we were there trying to stop this ruckus that was happening. This drunk couple was creating a massive ruckus and creating honking, fighting amongst each other, yelling and screaming at others, shouting and like doing filthy language with all the passerbys and the owner of the standing vehicle that they had bashed up. Now the only problem was that that lady could not be taken. The gentleman finally was taken by Panjim police station and taken to the police station, but the lady could not be taken because for about 2 hours there was no lady police constable that could come to the site. So we are very happy that the police took good action, but we are also wanting to understand why the lady police constable were not on duty. Why was the pink force not available? Because dealing with a woman was becoming very difficult for the male policemen over there. And this incident is something that we need to pay attention to. The police needs to pay attention to and ensure that ओहले जायना कित्याक यांचेर प्रॉपर कारवाई जायना जाल्यार अहे जायत आसतले. म्हाजे हिसपान तर ती बायल गोंयची नाहलीच. तो दाल्लो गोंयचो आहा, तो कोंकणी उलयतालो पूण गोंयचो आहा तो आमी नखो. And these kind of incidents are happening. If that car was not there, someone could have lost their lives.